After preheating and priming the appliance, take the single filter and place into the filter holder. Carefully tear open the packaging and remove a single serving espresso pod. Place the pod into the single filter, leaving the tag out. Attach the filter holder to the boiler outlet by connecting and turning fully and securely to the right. Place an espresso cup under the outlets and turn the coffee dial on. It is normal for more coffee to come out of one of the outlets than the other and will not affect the final espresso. Stop delivery by turning the coffee dial off. The espresso is ready to enjoy. Carefully remove the filter holder. Empty the pod out into a bin or knocking box.